In this Tech Byte, we are going to take a look at the Valid Data Selection Table Editor. Let's get started. With so many fields in MMS, one can imagine how easy data entry errors can be created. Valid Data Selection Table Editor is a very effective solution to lower data entry errors as well as making values entered into fields consistent. In order to access the Valid Data Selection Table Editor, we need to go to Admin, and right here is the Valid Data Selection Table Editor. Once in, you are able to select a table to populate the fields on. So for this example, I'm going to go to the student address contact data, and you'll notice the information changes in the field drop-down. So once you've chosen your table, you now select the field that you want to add values to or edit the values. So here I'm going to choose the relationship of contact to student. You'll notice that choosing this field has a pre-populated list of different relationships, but it doesn't have what I'm looking for, so I want to add a new value to this field. To do so, I will go up to the yellow plus sign, click Add a New Record, and you'll notice that at the bottom we now have a new item. To edit the title, I'm going to click over here, highlight the value, and then I'm going to type in what I'm looking for. So in this case, I'm going to put in aunt. If I wanted to, I could also enter a description. Down here, we have the ability to allow values to be added for this field from the editor. Depending on what values you're looking for, this could be a good idea to be able to let users add values on the fly if there isn't an option in the drop-down. However, in this case, I don't want to have various different versions of the relationship entered in, so I just want them to be able to select what I have in the drop-down. So I'm going to leave this set to no. If I wanted to delete a value, what I would do is go up to the red X, delete a record, and you'll receive an alert checking to make sure that this is what you want to do, deleting the value. Right now, I don't want to, so I'm going to click no. When you've finished editing the field values, you can hit the Save and Exit button, and now I'm going to show you what it was that we changed. If I go into the Student Biographical Editor, and click on Contacts, locating the relation field box, what I'm going to do is click into it, and you'll see that there is a drop-down, and these are all the values that we saw from the Valid Data Selection Table Editor. Scrolling down further, we'll see the value that we have added. You'll notice that we are unable to type into this field box, however, whereas if we go into the first name, you're able to type. And that is how you use the Valid Data Selection Table Editor in MMS Generations.